Good afternoon, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to take you all the way from London to Thailand. I'm going to explain all about the onward travel documents required by Thai immigration, and I'm going to go through what my experience was with that. I'm also going to run through my first steps once I hit the ground in Thailand. But first, let's rewind a little bit. Welcome back to the channel, Sam's Solo Adventures. If you haven't met me before, I'm Sam. Today the adventure begins, because today I'm flying to Bangkok, Thailand. Today I become a backpacker for who knows how long. I can't believe it's actually happening. It's amazing. So here we are, Heathrow, Terminal 2. I've got the obligatory pint ready to go. My life is packed into boxes. It's in my parents' loft. Sold my car, said goodbye to the family, and yeah, here we are. We're all ready to go. So, sailed through security, done all that. Got my visa ready for when we get to the other side, and just the one maybe little issue is that with the Thai visa, they want to see that you have onward travel, that you have a departure from Thailand, and it's not something that I have. Because I don't know when I'm going to be leaving Thailand. I'm just going to see how things go, and I'm going to be crossing into Laos is sort of the plan, through a land border. I don't have a flight out, so this can be a little bit of a problem apparently at the Thai immigration coming into Thailand. They want to know when you're leaving. Now, I have heard reports of other backpackers, travellers, who basically just smiled sweetly, explained the situation, said they're gonna, they don't know when they're leaving, they haven't got the onward travel yet. Sometimes, apparently, this works. Sometimes it doesn't. So, I haven't got an onward ticket. So I'm gonna go for the smile sweetly, speak my rubbish little pidgin Thai, and hope for the best. So once I picked up my bag, I headed straight to the airport link, which is in the bottom floor of the airport once you get outside past customs, and took the airport link to Makassar stop. Then I hopped onto the MRT to Samyot, and then I walked the last 15 minutes to Koh Sam Road. Apparently there is a bus that goes direct to Koh Sam Road if you wanted to go that way. Do be aware though that the airport link is cash only. There are ATMs, but they do charge. Both the airport link and the MRT were about 35 baht. So here we are, we're in Bangkok, baby. I've made it to the hostel, and I've just had a shower, a much needed shower. I didn't get a lot of sleep on the flight, so I've had a shower, just got changed, and I've just come around the corner here to a little bit of these street food stalls. I'm not that hungry, and it's quite late now, so I've just got a little bit of tofu with some veggies and some rice, and yeah, immigration was absolutely no hassle whatsoever. I was worried about the fact that I didn't have an onward flight. She didn't even ask me. So in my experience, it's not something you need to worry about or pay money for, but maybe if you get a different immigration officer, then maybe it is. So plan is just gonna have something to eat, gonna take a bit of a wander around, head to the hospital and get an early night I think, and yeah, hit the temples tomorrow.